Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use UniSwap, which is a decentralized exchange. So there's a couple things to keep in mind. When you use a decentralized exchange, you don't have the same options as you would on a centralized exchange. So an example of a centralized exchange would be Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Crypto.com. Any of these ones that you see here, they're called centralized exchanges, meaning they're controlled by companies. But with UniSwap, it's decentralized, so it's not controlled by anybody. And because of that, you don't pay as much in fees when you convert, but also you can only buy the tokens with Ethereum. So if you notice here, all the tokens available, they're in Ethereum pairings. Okay, so all these are Ethereum pairings, whereas on something like Binance, there's many different options. So you can buy stuff with Bitcoin, with USD Tether. So there's different pairings, and there are different coins available on a centralized exchange compared to a decentralized one. So make sure that you know what token you're looking to buy and that it is on UniSwap. So now that we've got that out of the way, I'm going to show you how to actually use UniSwap. So the first step is you're going to need to make a Metamask wallet. So head over to metamask.io, go to download now, go to install for Chrome, and you should be led here and we can install the extension. So step 2 is we're going to fund it with Ethereum. So this is my Metamask. So once you open it up, you should be able to see the option to start a new wallet, to create a new wallet. Go through that setup and make sure that you physically write down your private keys and keep them safe. So after you've done that, we're going to fund it with Ethereum. So as you can see, I have with 0.4 Ethereum in here, and this is your Ethereum address. So this is where you would send the Ethereum. So you just copy that and send it there. So the third step is we're going to convert the Ethereum to Wrapped Ethereum using UniSwap. So we're going to go over here to uniswap.info. Okay, and let's look up, click the first one, go to trade, and I'm going to show you guys why we are going to change our Ethereum to Wrapped Ethereum. So right now we have Ethereum, and if we wanted to buy, for example, if I wanted to buy Ample coin, if I wanted to max it out, I would get 408 Ample, hit confirm, and on the regular Ethereum network, we would be paying $20.87 in gas, or 0.017. Okay, ETH. So we're going to reject that, and what we're going to do is we're going to compare it if I paid with Wrapped Ethereum. So 0.39. So I have Wrapped Ethereum already. So let's do the same thing. 0.39 Wrapped Ethereum. Let's swap. Confirm swap. And I would only be paying $17.48 or 0.014. Okay, so as you can see, it is about 30% cheaper, or about 20% cheaper, to do your transactions with Wrapped Ethereum. Now, it's important to note you can always change your Wrapped Ethereum back to regular Ethereum and send that to your wallet. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you to convert the Ethereum into Wrapped Ethereum. So if you sent to your wallet already, you should have some Ethereum balance there. So make sure that you have Ethereum here, and we're going to look up WETH. And we don't want to change all of our Ethereum into Wrapped Ethereum because we always have to pay that gas fee, right? So 0.017. So I'd say leave about 0.04, twice the amount for 2 transactions. I'll only convert about 0.33 into Wrapped Ethereum because the rest of it I have to leave to pay gas fees. So this is the gas fee to convert Ethereum to Wrapped Ethereum, and you can edit this as well. We can make it a little cheaper and hit confirm, and it's going to be pending, so give that a few moments. So once that's done, you'll get a notification that it's been finished and we're good to go. So now we check our balance. We have 0.07 Ethereum, which we're leaving to pay gas fees, because when we swapped to other tokens, we always have to pay it in the native Ethereum token. We don't pay gas fees in Wrapped Ethereum. We always pay gas fees in regular Ethereum. So that's important to keep in mind. And we're going to go from WETH to UniSwap. We're going to do the same thing again. We're going to do, I'll trade 1.7 Ethereum for UniSwap, firm swap. And I'm just going to pay that one there, confirm it. Okay, so finally the transaction went through, so that's awesome. So now, after that's been done successfully, you can go over to your Metamask, click here, and if you scroll down, you'll notice that you don't see your token, and that's because we have to add it. Okay, so in order to do that, you're going to click here, go to the most recent transaction, and just click on the name of the token, so UniSwap, and ignore everything. All we want is the contract address. So we're going to copy that, go back to the Metamask, scroll all the way down to add token, and we're going to custom token, and this is where you paste the contract address, and everything else will fill automatically. So it already recognizes that that address is for UniSwap and decimal points. So hit next, add tokens, go back, and now as you'll see, you have your UniSwap. So I already bought some previously, so that's why there's a little more, but yeah, that's basically it. And I'll show you guys if you want to sell it. It's kind of the same procedure. You go to UniSwap, you could sell it for Wrapped Ethereum, and it's the same idea. You pay gas fees, but we're not going to do that. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much how you use UniSwap. And make sure that you always leave some Ethereum, the regular native version of Ethereum, to pay gas fees. That's very important because you don't want to be left gasless. So yeah, that's pretty much how you use UniSwap. So if you guys have any questions or comments or want to learn more about crypto, you can join the Discord in my bio. So yeah, thanks for watching.